Hi! It's school opening once again. Wondering how to prepare a 30-second self-introduction video? Since opening of classes is fast approaching, there is no doubt that your teachers will require you to prepare a short self-introduction video. No need to worry. View this one.
Hi! I am Arijan El Gagalang, and you can call me AJ for short. I am from Tanay Rizal. My hobbies are swimming, singing, cleaning, reading, and watching Netflix. I'm also very interested in anything that deals with computers. And that's about it. Bye!
Seems easy, right? Here are a few tips. Tip number 1. Don't overthink. Just keep it simple. There's no need for elaborate venue nor over-editing. Actually, you could film it inside your homes, inside your own bedroom, or in your backyard. So also, there's no need for you to have a high-tech camera. What's important is that it could capture the video at least clearly and the audio clearly. So there's no need for highfalutin or superb skills for you to be able to prepare a short self-introduction video. Okay? So tip number 2. Don't be very conscious of your looks. Just be neat and presentable. So there's no need for a party makeup, a day makeup, or a night makeup. At least you know the natural you, the real you. But at least, you know, you have to be neat, as I have mentioned earlier on, and you have to be presentable because, you know, it's not only your class which could potentially view your video, it could be, you know, the entire globe. Okay. Tip number 3, as to your English, it's the message that counts. So don't be so worried about your grammar to the extent that your confidence gets ruined. So after all, guys, we are second language speakers of English, and definitely there could be room for errors. What's important is that the errors that we commit, you know, are to be fine-tuned and to be corrected later on. Okay, so it's okay to sometimes not to be grammatically okay, but the efforts are there. You're trying your best to correct everything that you think really became erroneous in the previous performance or in the video. Okay, so we teachers actually, you know, appreciate that you are trying than not trying at all. So it matters to us. Your efforts, your gestures do matter to us. So don't hesitate, just keep trying, accomplish the tasks that are given to you, okay, with all your heart. So that's it for now, guys. Stay safe, stay confident, and smile.